mosquito at first. Alright guys, so today I am going to be mixing a bunch of random stuff from Bath & Body Works into clear slime. So I did this a while ago, but I feel like I did it in white slime. And also, I don't know, you guys seem to like it, and I really like Bath & Body Works. I decided to go in there, get a bunch of stuff, and put it into slime, and yeah. And today I actually have some crystal clear slime, so this will be that much more satisfying. And we're just gonna see what happens. We just have a bunch of little thingies, and we're gonna see if something weird happens, or we get like a really cool consistency. But it's mostly for like satisfying purposes. And today's like my challenge to beat. You got to comment down below if you like Bath & Body Works or not. I like it, but it can be a little pricey. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, so here is the clear slime. Look at how beautiful. You guys can't see how clear it is as much because of the box, because it's a bit foggy, but it is clearer than this, guys. It is beautiful. I love it. Like, how, bruh? Did you guys see that? Sorry guys, I was trying to do it with my left hand because my left hand has prettier nails because like they grow out better than these ones because these ones are like all messed up, so yeah. Like, look at how freaking beautiful. I love it. I used Darish glue, by the way, you guys want to know, so yeah. Alrighty guys, here's the first piece of slime. For this one, I'm just gonna put some hand sanitizers that I got from there. That, I don't know, I just thought, I really wanted to put it inside, see what happens, maybe it would be cool. So this first one is from You Are Magical. It's also this thingamajig. I found this freaking dog. It was the cutest thing ever. I had to, I just loved it. Anyways, so yeah. This first one is You Are Magical, like unicorn hand sanitizer. You can't really see it, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. Then this one's called 1,000 Wishes, and it has like glitter in it, and it smells so good. They all smell really good. It's like a hot pink. This next one is called Black Cherry Merlet, and it is like a dark purple, and it has like these little blue thingamajiggers in it. I got 2 of them because I really like the smell of it. And then the last one, I forgot what, I think it's birthday cake. It smells so good. It comes out of the dog's butt, and that is like part of the reason why I got this dog. Ta-da! I don't know if you guys can see it or not because they're very like thin, you know, and light, but it smells so good. Oh my god, the cupcake one smells so good. I wish I got 2 of those. Anyways, so let's just go ahead and start this. So I wonder if it's gonna melt. I feel like it won't melt, but it seems kind of like it's melting, so I don't know. It also seems kind of like it's getting like foggy, which is the weirdest thing ever. Is it getting foggy? Oh my god. Okay, I think I know why it's getting foggy. I think it's getting foggy because the hand sanitizers have scent. Got a bit sticky, like it melted a little bit, but like that's it. It smells fantastic though, like oh my god. It's funny because these little thingamajiggers, these little balls are not like melting into the slime, so that's pretty weird, but whatever. It does seem like it got a bit foggy. I have no idea why. I didn't expect that at all, but yeah, I guess that's what happened, guys. Alrighty, well I guess that's what that one was, and let's get on to the next one. Next one is this marshmallow pumpkin latte hand soap, and I just really wanted to try it. It smells so good. Usually I don't really like the pumpkin spice like flavored stuff, but I love pumpkin just spice in general, the smell. So I really like this one. I'm gonna put that and see what happens. This one's just a soap, so we'll probably just get like soapy. But maybe something cool will happen, I don't know. It's, the soap itself is kind of foggy. So I expected it to get foggy, you know, but like, it seems like it's not. Okay, so it's completely melting. Smells fantastic though, like all this stuff smells so good. Wow, that really melted, guys. I didn't expect that. I thought it was gonna melt like a little bit, but like, geez. Whoa, it got so melted and it became super like foamy. I think we need to activate this again, guys. It got so melted. Texture though, guys, it's like so foamy. Alright, well that's what it turned into. It actually doesn't even seem that foggy. Like, it's funny because the hand sanitizer isn't foggy at all. So I expected it to just stay clear, but it actually turned foggy. And the soap was foggy, so I expected that to like fog up, but it actually didn't, like so far, like what it looks like. But it is really like foamy and bubbly, so that was pretty interesting. It does smell wonderful though, like oh my god. I wonder how this is gonna turn out once it clears up, but I guess this is it for now. Okay, can we just look at this clear slime again? I'm sorry, I just love it so much. Next we have an Aqua Burst body wash, and this one just caught my eye. It says water. Anyways, it's like a blue soap with like these silver little balls, and I don't know, it looked cool, so why not? It's like literally pearlescent silver balls in there. It smells good. It just smells kind of like fresh. It's a lot harder to get out than I expected. What is this? Is this a body wash? Body wash. Okay. Let's try this out. Oh, whoa. Look at how thick that is. Wow, I didn't expect that. All right, let's do this. It's probably gonna melt. What do you guys think is gonna happen? You think it's gonna melt? I think it's gonna melt, probably. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, this one looks so cool, like the blue and like the clear. I don't know, like the combination just looked really cool to me. Wow, that actually changed like a lot. It looks so cool. Got a bit sticky though. Okay, these textures are getting really cool because like of the soaps and stuff. It does smell super, super good now. Like the whole air and everything. This area smells fantastic. Okay, I think this little like beads already dissolved. Wonder how this is gonna turn out, guys. That actually turned out really nice. Okay, I really like this one, and it still has some of those like silver beads. I don't know if you guys can see them because they're really light. I can barely see them, but it still has some of them, and it looks so cool, guys. And the texture became like really foamy. So it's like kind of like, it reminds me of like a clear, fluffy slime. It's like so foamy and so crackalacky. This one actually turned out a lot better than I expected, guys. So I think this is gonna be my favorite. I don't know, because we still have some other ones, so I guess let's wait. But this one was so cool. I really love this one. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite from here when you're done with the video. So yeah. Okay, can we look at this clear slime again? Like, I'm sorry, it's so beautiful. I just had to. Anyways, so the next one is really, really cool. I really wanted to try it. I saw it and I thought it was awesome. It's Shimmer Mist. It's like a perfume, you know, and it has a bunch of glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't even know it's glitter at this point. I think it might be pigment because it's like so freaking shiny. But yeah, it's Japanese cherry blossom, and I really wanted to try it. So this can either turn boggy because of the scent, or it can be very pretty and pigmented. So I wanted to see what would happen. So I guess we'll just like try and put a lot. I want to try and make like a hole. That way it doesn't go everywhere. I'm putting a lot. I'm trying. I hope it becomes pearlescent. Oh no, it spilled. Is it getting foggy? Yeah, I think it's getting foggy. It smells really good. Okay, so it's getting foggy already. This stuff is so pretty though. It did get a really like pretty pink tint. I can't see the sparkles. I didn't look close. Oh, whoa, it actually did like get sparkles in there. The texture is pretty cool too. All right, I'm gonna put some more because I just want to try it out. This is gonna be the best the best smelling slime. That's what I was trying to say. It's kind of getting sticky, so I guess it did melt in the process because I did put activator. Anyways, here it is. So I can see the sparkles, just you can't really see them a lot. It's probably better just to get some pigment. But like, it did make it smell really good, and it's got a pretty pink tint, so yeah. I think it turned out pretty good. You guys comment down below if you guys want to do more of the shimmer mists. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Last but not least, we have this little unicorn bath bomb, and I thought it would be really cool because I see Rainbow Playmaker. She like puts slime into bath bombs, and I decided to do one. So I found this one unicorn horn thing, and it was so beautiful and perfect until I accidentally put it right here for the thumbnail, and I freaking broke this part. And anyways, it's a unicorn horn. It looks so pretty. It has like pearlescent pigment on top of it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very pretty. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and get some slime and let's do this. I am so excited. Alrighty guys, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna just put that all over. Ooh, that looks pretty. Wonder what's gonna happen. I feel like it's probably just gonna melt. It's not it's not like fizzing or anything. It's melting, definitely. all the pigment is going into the slime and it looks so pretty. Like the slime just turned into like a pigment. The slime just turned into like a pigment slime, guys, a metallic slime. Wow, that was interesting. Okay guys, so this slime is just taking the pigment off of the bath bomb and this is actually turning out very pretty. Like, what the heck? It turned into a pearlescent, like, pink, sparkly slime, guys. Do you see this? That is hilarious. I love this. Oh my god. I should just keep it like this. Like, what the heck? Do you guys see this? I'm gonna try and, like, I'm just gonna leave that. And I'm just gonna try and, like, smash this into the slime. Maybe that would do better. Okay, guys. I give up. This is a very hard bath bomb, so I'm not gonna do that. So here it is. Who would have expected that? The bath bomb to make the prettiest slime. I did not expect that at all, guys. Ooh, it's so pretty. I had one last thing, guys. This is actually foaming mousse, and I thought it was hair mousse at first, but then I realized it's actually foaming hand sanitizer, so that's pretty cool. So let's put that there. Seems like it's getting kind of foggy, but I don't know. Yeah, it is. Whoa, what is happening? Maybe I should have put food coloring in some of these, guys. They're all kind of just like white. I expected more color. All right, here's how it turned out. Kind of just turned out white. Smells good. It smells very good. Okay, this is very weird. Like the texture, it's kind of like shaving cream. You'd expect the foaming hand sanitizer to be like, well, that was nice. Anyways, you'd expect it to be kind of like foam soap, but it actually was kind of more like shaving cream. I didn't expect that. Alrighty guys, so now for the grand finale, we're gonna mix everything into a big blob of clear slime. Whoa, that actually looks really cool, guys. Look, it gave it like a cool shimmer on top. Okay. This is not a lot of stuff, but whatever. I wonder what's gonna happen. Ooh, that looks so cool. All the textures of these slimes, guys, like they actually gave them like really weird textures, like kind of like really gooey, jelly textures and jiggly. So I wonder what this one is gonna have. It feels like it's already having a weird texture. Whoa, that actually got like kind of like thicker, I feel like, in a way, and stretchier. Whoa. I feel like I should do a part 2 of this, and I will also do like a little update. You guys comment down below. Make sure you press that like button so I know to do a part 2. And yeah. Alright guys, I hope you liked today's video. I thought it was super cool. I really want to do a part 2, but you guys make sure you comment down below and press that like button just to let me know. And also press that like button if you like me, the little doggy. I love the little doggy. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!